We have here VCC. Okay, my friends? So now let's test the diode, the double diode right now in the motherboards. And this one, guys, also the drain of this IC is also connected to this line or power line or power rail B+. Because when the adapter is removed, this is the battery will feed the motherboard. It will generate B+. Okay? And of course, for the motherboard, the charge IC, it has many inputs and outputs. And also here, the most important, it needs the VCC. For the VCC is the working voltage. The VCC basically come from the VN, come from here, VN, okay? We call it VN, or from BAT plus, or from the battery. That's why basically for the VCC to feed the charge IC, we need what, guys? We need basically a diode or a double diode. We need here a double diode. Let's make it like this, for example. This is basically double diode. I'm going to show you all this. For this double diode, my friends, connected to the VCC, it can be powered by B+, okay, or this one, BAT+. Okay. For the double diode can be powered by B+ or BAT+ in order to power the charge IC. Let me please, I will show you right now, before continue, I will show you right now the double diode, how it looks like in the motherboard, and I will show you how to test it. Okay, my friends? So let's do it. I'm going to teach you right now how to test double diodes. This is basically the double diode that power ICs. So as you can see, my friends, we have here diodes, 3 double diodes. This is the first one. Here we have D. This is basically double diodes. I'm going to teach you how to test it and what is the working principle of this diode. So let's grab the multimeter and begin testing the diode first. Okay? But let me show you very fast what is the purpose of double diodes. Okay, double diodes. Okay, my friends, we find double diode. Basically, this is the symbol. Okay, this is the symbol. We have here 1, 2, 3. Why exactly we use this kind of diode when, for example, we have the output? When, for example, an IC like this one require voltages or power from 2 inputs, here we have input 1, here we have input 2. For example, for the charge IC, it can be powered by the adapter EDP, okay, powered using B+, okay, or it can be powered by the battery power, BAT+. Okay, my friends, BAT+. So that's why here we need a double diode. That's why we use this kind of diode. But we have always the same output. And here basically we have the IC. To power this IC, we have here VCC. Okay, my friends? So now let's test the diode, the double diode right now in the motherboards. So of course, to test the double diode and diode in general, we use, as you can see, the diode option. We use diode option. Okay, so we select the diode option. Let's right now look for some diodes here, for example. Okay, let me make it zoom in a little bit like this. Okay. So we have the diodes, guys. This is not a transistor. This is not a MOSFET. Even if we have 3 terminals, this is not a MOSFET. This is double diode. So to check this diode, we need just to set the multimeter to the continuity option. Okay, to the continuity option, and then the black probe here in the pin number 1 here, the red probe here. We have to get same reading. Let's check. We get 560 here, and also here 500, as you can see, 25. Okay, 560, 525. Good. Means the 2 diodes inside it are good. Let's check this one also. So 560, 523, this one also 550 and 524. So this is a good double diode. Do you see, guys? Please pay attention. Okay, let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, so if you pay attention, my friends, okay, let's make it like this. Do you see, my friends? A double diode with a single input. Do you see? We have output. I mean, here we have output, but here we have 2 basically inputs. 2 inputs for this one, 2 inputs for this one, 2 inputs. Do you see for this one, guys? 2 inputs, 1 input coming from here, another input coming from here, but we have 1 output. For example, if we assume that this diode feed the charge IC, this input, for example, coming from the adapter, and this input coming from the battery. From adapter, from battery, we will always get the B+. If we use the adapter, we will get B+. But if we remove the adapter and we use the battery, we will get B+. That's why this is how the double diode works. It's different from the MOSFET. Please pay attention. It's different from the MOSFET. Even in terms of testing, it's different from the MOSFET. In testing, we find 2 readings between this pin and this pin, and also the second reading this pin and this pin. But for the MOSFET, we find just 1 reading. Okay, my friends?